Hi, and thank you so much for stopping by my channel. A is for Apple. We have lots of fun over here as we learn how to write cursive, just a few letters a day. In today's video, number 7 of this series, we will practice how to script lowercase letters S, T, and U. So let's head on over to my writing desk. Let's start with our warm-up drill, and today's drill is similar to one we've done before. It's the half moon, but the last time, all our half moon started from the dotted red line and we pulled downward. But today, we're gonna draw them all upward, like this. So let's continue to the end of the line. And let's try one more row of our half moons. Drawing from the bottom line to the red dotted line. And like I said in that last video, these lines are so important because they start a lot of our cursive letters. So the quicker we master this stroke, at least we know how to start our letters, right? Good job. Our first letter today is lowercase s. And you see how we started the S with one of those lines we just practiced? And I know my overachievers don't need too much help with this one. And let's take it to the end of the line. I'll do it slowly for you. Easy peasy, right? We're almost to the end of the alphabet. With our lowercase letters at least. Nice. Let's try another row of S's. Up and down, bring it home. Up, down, and bring it home. 2 curved lines and a third to bring it home. S's are quick and easy. And once you start, you get into a good rhythm and you just break them out one after the next. Good job. Our second letter is lowercase t. Watch me first. Two curved lines, then we bring it home. Let's try it slowly together. And then cross that T. 1 curved line. And next in the opposite direction. And then you bring it home. Let's try it 2 more times. And just like the S's, once you get your hand in the groove, it just happens. Who agrees with me? Let's try one more row of T's. Take your time. I'll be here waiting with you. Nice. And last one. Great job. So we've reached our final letter, lowercase u. And let's just talk about it a little bit. Here we go again with that nice curved leader line. Bring it down to the blue line and then bring it home. And it kind of looks like a W, but we know it's not a W because we would need another loop for a W. So let's try them together. Nice. And you can also tell the difference between the U and the W. The last flick that we make, which is right here, we kind of separate it a little bit from the U. Like the first two lines, we have those spaced evenly apart, but this last flick right here, we want to make it a little bit wider to differentiate it separately from our actual letter U. So let's try it again. And we're just going to exaggerate it so you can see what I mean. See, you could tell that this part is what we would use to connect to the next letter. And this right here is our actual U. Let's try it a couple more times. And let's exaggerate that last flick. Nice. See how it's separate from the U? Last time. Good job. Let's go with the fun part, creating those words with the letters that we've learned so far. Our first word, let's try quack. Q-U-A-C-K. And let's try it slowly so you can see. And end with our fabulous K. Sometimes the K can touch. It all depends on your style, whatever you feel comfortable with. And one more time. Nice job. Our next word, let's try person. That P we learned last time. And also that R. My hand just got stuck on the paper. Nice. Let's try person again. I don't think it'll fit that last time, so we'll just go with 2. Good. Let's try tired. We'll get to practice that T we learned today. And I just carried that T up a little further because I like to have my letters looking long. But you can keep the T short if you'd like. Nice. Let's try it a couple more times because we're not tired. We're not tired. And last time. Yes. Great job. You did a spectacular job today, so let's give ourselves a hand. Now don't forget our 3 P's that we discussed in our foundational video: posture, practice, and patience. And always remember that any progress is good progress. If you found this content valuable, please consider subscribing. It's free. Commenting, hitting that notification bell, and giving the old thumbs up. Keep at it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.